Welcome once again to the Justin Blake Show. And of course, I'm yours truly, Justin Blake. Before we continue in this program, I need to get to 100,000 subscribers, so please remember, click that subscribe button right there. And also the notification bell so you can receive a notification each time I publish a new video. Today's topic is orgasm.
You gonna lick it before you stick it.
Some other week back ballhead boy for go drink some roots. Go link the roots man. Cause no thing now work right. When the thing come like some dead water was on a water and running a pipe. Go and go fix up on yourself, here.
You ladies are gonna love this one, trust me. The definition of orgasm is the climax of sexual excitement characterized by intensely pleasurable feelings. Now you know the definition, right? Now guess what? I'm speaking as a man. And from a man's point of view, we know what it feels like to ejaculate. It's such an intensely pleasurable experience, right? Based on my experience and also my knowledge, I have grown to understand that women do fake orgasm ever so often.
Empress, Rasta afraid to till the soil. I make you get wet like the banks of the river Nile. You see upon your beautiful face, Rasta go put a smile. I make you bring forth a child.
Now, what are the reasons why a woman would want to fake her own orgasm? Is it because she's just a deceitful being? Or there are more to it? Like, for example, the male ego.
Youth man, let me tell you something. It's when you deal with the ladies them, you have to make sure so you know every spot. You know like when time you have a map and you know the location so you're not gonna last. You have to just know the ladies them spot. You have to touch them the right way. You have to touch them soft and gentle when it's needed and necessary. And you have to deal with it rough and coarse when it's needed the most. Learn from the elder, learn from the wise, and realize I'm Mr. Lover Lover. Ooh, I'm Mr. Lover Lover. Hey, she call me Mr. Bombastic. Say me fantastic. Touch me na me back, she says that Mr. Ooh, romantic. Girl, you fantastic. Touch me na me back, she says that Mr. Boom, 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 boom. Jeez, baby, please.
Why would a woman fake her own orgasm? I believe that it's only to please the male's ego. That ever so fragile ego.
Like a workless boy, I want to teach them how to make girl them come just run.
Us as men want to feel as if we are always and totally in control, especially when it comes to a sexual intercourse. It is such a great feeling of accomplishment whenever a man is able to take his woman to heights of sexual ecstasy, arousal, orgasm. Feel like a man. Yes! Foreplay is very important to build up that high intensity for an orgasm. Ladies, this is your opportunity to educate us men as it relates to what really take you there to that height of sexual pleasure and orgasm. Leave your comment right down there.